How to do an oil change on a 2002 Honda 125 two-stroke dirt bike.
On a CR125 Honda, a 17mm socket.
Grab the oil pan and position it under the bike's engine to catch the old oil.
Undo the drain bolt from the motor. This drain bolt is underneath the motorcycle on the very bottom. The drain plug out. Inspect the drain plug. Any stuff on there you want to get off of there, and we'll wait for it to drain and put new oil in it. We're using Maxima 80 weight for the Honda transmission. It holds 650 cc's. We'll go 400 for the first one. Wait and put the 250 in afterward. Using a 17mm socket, install the drain plug back in the bottom of the bike. Go up in. Just snug it and you're good. Wipe it down. Then go up here. This is where we put our oil in. So we want to take this plug out. Have our special funnel. Use our ratio right and put oil in the motor. Just pour it in slow. Sometimes you have to make a funnel to work for you, and that's what we've done here. We cut this funnel so it clears the exhaust pipe. Okay, 250 more cc's of oil. Take a look at it, see 250. And then we'll pour the rest in. Sometimes to find out how much oil goes in a bike, you need to call the Honda shop, or whatever kind of bike you're riding, look it up on your phone. You can Google that, or call the dealership to find out. Funnel off. Put that guy in there, put your plug in. Tighten it. Just snug it, and then you're all ready to ride.